Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with airplane mode active, then enable Wi-Fi. This keeps radios off while allowing network access. Once done, scan for the aircraft SSID or a trusted hotspot and select it. If required, enter a voucher code or payment card at the portal. This authorizes your device. Make sure to disable cellular data so the phone stays compliant, yet can still use Wi-Fi. By starting this way, you reduce interference and follow airline rules while preparing to authenticate and browse securely. Next, open your browser to trigger the captive portal. Sign in with the provided credentials or buy the in-flight plan. Once connected, make deliberate choices. Enable data saver in apps, switch media to low quality, and prefer text or mobile sites to cut latency and caps. If privacy matters, start a VPN only if the network allows it. Otherwise, rely on HTTPS. Also, close background sync and auto-update tasks, so the limited bandwidth goes to the tasks you need right. Finally, verify the connection by loading a lightweight page or sending a small message. If the portal won't accept credentials, forget the network and reconnect, then reopen the browser to force the login page. Make sure your device's time is correct. Mismatched clocks can block authentication. If things go wrong, toggle airplane mode off briefly, then on again, re-enable Wi-Fi and try again. This clears many transient issues. Keep the troubleshooting step in mind. It resolves most connectivity hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.